gonna do?
Take pictures.
Alright. Got your camera?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Because it's gonna be a winter storm here any minute. I'm getting scared already. I'm scared.
Hmm?
Winter storm coming. See,
I'm
it's
excited.
already snowflaking. We got to get this thing fired up too. Make sure it's going to run. Colin's got it plugged in.
Right on.
What are you doing back here? You got to go down the hill? Oh boy.
Everybody got this on camera. Alright, first side of the day. Peace. I'm scared.
Ew.
Yay.
Never felt a thing. God. I've got that thing running now. Just to start it up so I'm not dealing with it when there's 2 feet of snow piled on top of it. Boone's back out on the sled, as you saw. Oh yeah, this is the hill right here. Yeah. I don't know if you could tell on the camera or not, but maybe you could get an idea how steep it is when he hits the bottom here. Go ahead, Boone. Yeah. Well, yeah. No broken bones. Right on. Well, I don't hear any crying, so I guess you're okay, you know?
Yeah. I never cry when I go swimming.
Well, you would if you know,
Well,
cut your neck open on that stick down there. That would probably bring out some tears, no?
Yeah, probably will.
Huh?
This is a bad idea.
These chains are all frozen in. Where are you going? Listen, there's a lot of trees and shit down there. You don't want to do that. Oh my god. No. No. Listen, don't do that. Look at all this. Look at, there's a big stump down there laying down here. Oh man. Kid's got more balls. Anyway. Alright, I'm going inside. It's too goddamn cold for me. They've already canceled school for tomorrow. My work's been canceled for 2 days. And parts of Boston might see up to 3 feet of snow. Crazy. So there's sissies over there making more pictures. That'll probably be on Facebook later. Alright then. Talk to you later. I'm going in, it's too cold. Besides, in here, oh, homemade meatballs. Homemade meatballs. Not none of this frozen crap. You know? Yeah.